Hey guys, this is Lawrence and I just recorded a quick walkthrough of Canvid's AI features. Now let's watch and listen to this part of the recording. Canvid's noise cancellation cleans up your audio by removing background noise and enhancing your voice in real time. Now the problem is, in this section I accidentally said Canvid's noise cancellation instead of using the brand term which is AI voice clarity. With that kind of mistake, that would normally mean I'd have to re-record the whole video, right? But we're not going to do that, of course. With Canvid's new AI Retakes feature, I can simply use AI to generate a new audio clip with the corrected words and automatically regenerate the lips and lower face to match the new audio. So let's get started. The words we plan to replace are in the sentence, so let's highlight this over here. By the way, even if you're just changing a word or two, it's always better to replace a full sentence or at least a larger chunk. Why? Because this makes the AI voice generation sound much better. Now, once you have the sentence highlighted, click this icon over here that says Replace Audio. Let's choose Local as our processing mode, which uses the power of your Intel AI PC for AI retakes. Say, right now it's more convenient for me to just type the replacement words, so let's choose this option. Here's a preview of the sentence we highlighted. Let's play it. Canvid's noise cancellation cleans up your audio by removing background noise and enhancing your voice in real time. That sounds good overall, but if you listen closely, the first syllable of Canvid is slightly cut off. Let's play it again. Canvid's noise cancellation. There. Now we need to fix that. Good news is the waveform will help you spot exactly where the sentence begins and ends. So let's use it as a guide and drag the left handle a bit to the left. The right side looks perfect, so no need to adjust that. Let's listen again. Canvid's noise cancellation cleans up your audio by removing background noise and enhancing your voice in real time. Perfect. Okay, so with everything in order, let's go to the next step by clicking here. In the box to the right, you can see the original sentence. And to the left is where you will type the new version of that sentence. What I would do is just copy this entire sentence block, then paste it to the left box. Remember, we're only going to replace noise cancellation with AI voice clarity. So let's do that now. There you go. Alrighty, we're ready to put AI retakes into action. Click Finish. So we're done. I'm very excited to show you the result. As you can see, the sentence we used to generate AI retakes is now underlined, and the words previously noise cancellation is now replaced with AI voice clarity. Let's play the video and see. Canvid's AI voice clarity cleans up your audio by removing background noise and enhancing your voice in real time. Amazing! We basically managed to replace both the voice and camera of that part of this video without the need to re-record everything. Isn't that cool? So friends, that's the magic of Canvid's AI retakes.